It's Bruce St. James. I'm here at Phoenix International Raceway.
Hey, it's Bruce St. James. The Oscars are Sunday night.
I'm Bruce St. James. Hey, it's Bruce St. James. Bruce St. James, welcome to my movie. Oh my God. I'm so excited right now. We are inside the new, soon-to-be open White Castle, right here in the valley. Think Scottsdale, Via de Ventura, and the 101. Some of you have been driving up and down the freeway. There are many sliders, but this one is mine. Yeah. I don't know if you're actually going to put it on the screen, but I always like pointing to that. I think that's really cool when people do that. Sitting here with John Travolta and Kelly Preston, the new movie Gotti coming out in theaters on the 15th of this month. Had a chance to see it. It's great seeing both of you, by the way. Welcome to the Valley.
Thanks very much.
My question is, you know, so many people, I think they know a lot about John Gotti. There's been, you know, I mean, of all the mob bosses who were kind of on the down low, he was decidedly out in the open about being a mob boss. When you actually see a warehouse that has everything, it hits you a lot differently. Sorry, I like to slump. I gotta smile. Yes, I will sit up straight and I will smile. I glare. I scowl. I don't smile, I smirk. It hurts me to smile. My cheeks hurt so much. Quit telling me what to do. Everybody smiles. I was trying to be silly. I thought it was fun. I like easy way out. Yes. Where's the easy button?